Terra Classic community passes 800 million burn proposal. And what's next for Lunc? These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to CryptoWhale. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you're interested in everything around Terra Classic, this is the place for you. So let's start with that. The Terra Classic community passes 800 million burn proposal. Terra Luna Classic proposal to burn 800 million USTC is passed by the community, enabling the community to proceed with the burn after much debate. USTC price has skyrocketed 25% today, but paired some gains in the last few hours. Proposal 12073 burn 800 million USTC through contract migration has successfully surpassed the pass threshold, finally approving to burn 800 million USTC worth nearly $32 million from the Risk Harbor multi-sig wallet. The proposal saw major voter turnout as the Terra Classic community deems the proposal suggests the best way to blacklist. As per proposal 11832 and burn 800 million USTC in Risk Harbor wallet, as per proposals 11660 and 11710. The proposal received 41% yes votes, 33% abstain votes, along with 18% no and 8% no with veto votes. Among 58 validators who participated in the voting, 42 voted in favor of the proposal, 11 voted abstain, 1% no, and 4% no with veto. Top validator all nodes voted abstain, which cleared the community to move ahead with 800 million Lunc burn. As CoinGate reported earlier, the code will be used to migrate 800 million from multi-sig contract or wallet of Risk Harbor to a new code version via a contract migration proposal. The migration handler will automatically take care of the tax to execute the burn transaction. This methodology will not alter the state of the blockchain, claimed former Joint L1 Task Force developer Fragwordig. USTC price rallied from a 24-hour low of $0.032 to $0.041, making a 25% move in the past 24 hours. The price is currently trading at $0.0368 after pairing some gains. The recent rally renewed confidence in regaining December's 6 cents level. Lunc price jumped 2% in the past 24 hours, with the price exchanging hands at $0.30's $124. The 24-hour low and high are $0.30's $122 and $0.30's $133 respectively. Moreover, trading volume has increased by 200% in the last 24 hours amid new long positions by traders. Now let's talk about that. The Terra Classic fuels optimism. The Terra Classic community proposed a crucial measure to raise the minimum initial deposit for new proposals in the deposit stage this week. This comes as a measure to prevent the burgeoning spam proposals in the deposit voting section. Simultaneously, the measure mentioned above, Proposal 12071, set the minimum initial deposit to 1 million Lunc, was officially passed this week, with 89% votes in favor. In the interim, Terraform Labs co-founder Kwon's tussle with the SEC took a new turn as the court set pre-trial deadlines and other procedures amid Kwon's extradition news. The Terra Classic community also witnessed the potential rejection of the Tax 2 gas proposal, with 48% rejecting the proposal and 23% favoring it. This further piqued the interest of crypto market enthusiasts globally. Let's talk more about that. The court sets pre-trial deadline as Kwon set for U.S. extradition. In the latest development in the Securities and Exchange Commission lawsuit against beleaguered Terraform Labs and co-founder Kwon, the court has set pre-trial deadlines and other procedures. The move comes amid news of Kwon's extradition from Montenegro to the United States. According to the latest filing in the court, Judge Jed Rakoff has signed an order approving the amended stipulation and proposed order setting forth pre-trial deadline. After a lot of rendezvous, the parties have agreed to a trial adjournment on March 25th. The SEC and Terra lawyers will finish oppositions to motions, depositions, and counter designations by March 11th, giving both parties enough preparation time for pre-trial. The court ordered the SEC and Terra to file a proposed consent order before March 18th. In accordance with Individual Rule 7, the parties shall submit proposed jury charges to the court on or before March 18th, 2024, stated the judge. The parties are required to finish all requirements before 48 hours of the pre-trial deadline. The order came amid a Montenegro court's approval to extradite embattled Terra co-founder Kwon to the United States. The extradition to South Korea has been overturned. While it's unclear when Kwon will be in the United States, he will most likely attend court proceedings on the trial date. Kwon was arrested in Montenegro in March 2023 and sentenced to 4 months in prison, with extradition proceedings continuing while in custody. Former Terra CFO Han Chang-jun was extradited to South Korea, but Do Kwon won an appeal in the Court of Appeals of Montenegro to be extradited to South Korea due to various ambiguities with the ruling. The U.S. District Court of the Southern District of New York had ruled in favor of the SEC, stating that Luna and MIR tokens are securities. Let's also talk about rejection of the tax-to-gas proposal. The Terra Luna Classic community has rejected a major tax-to-gas proposal after the community members and validators reached an impasse, citing earlier pay-per-job and KYC proposals as reasons. While they admit the proposal benefits Lunc Revival and USTC repeg to $1, it faced major headwinds. Tax-to-gas is a major development under discussion to incorporate the tax into the gas and remove the need for separate handling and calculation. The proposal aims to increase the on-chain tax rate to 1.5%, which brings back to the original 1.2% burn tax, with 0.3% to fund the chain by the current on-chain 80 to 20% tax split. Proposal 12067 tax-to-gas implementation that called for approving 2 new developers to collaborate with Strathcole and Genuine Labs to make tax-to-gas live on the chain has failed. The major reasons: violation of both KYC and PPJ proposals. The proposal received over 48% no votes and just 23% yes votes, along with some no with veto and abstain votes. Among 53 validators who participated, 23 validators including Jesus is Lord, Stake Systems, Lunanauts, Lunc Development Fund, and Solid Vote voted yes. 17 validators including all nodes voted no. The proposal is near rejection, but some members believe if the revised pay-per-job practical implementation proposal is passed, then tax-to-gas should pass, invalidating the PPJ requirement. Lunc price jumped 2% in the past 24 hours, with the price exchanging hands at 0.30's $125. The 24-hour low and high are 0.30's $122 and 0.30's $133, respectively. Moreover, trading volume has decreased slightly in the last 24 hours amid fresh weakness in the market. As per CoinGate Markets, holding above the green support band is crucial for Lunc as it allows bulls to take control. The resistance at 0.30's $14 is key for further upside in Lunc C towards 0.30's $2. And lastly, about how 1 million Lunc deposit proposal could shape 2024 bull run. The Terra Luna Classic community is turning a new leaf with the passing of a proposal that will ensure that those intending to start a new proposal make an initial deposit. With this move, the network believes it will curb the menace of spam proposals. Terra Classic price ticked up by 2% to 0.30's $122 on Friday following the development. As CoinGate reported, the proposal dubbed 12071 requires members to deposit 1 million Lunc key before being allowed to start any new proposals. The community overwhelmingly voted to pass the proposal, with 89% in favor, 9% saying no, while only 1% said no with veto. Over the last few months, the network has made significant strides to enhance the project, including passing key proposals, including staking and the crucial token burn program. The move to restrict proposals has been welcomed by many who believe attention ought to be given to properly constructed proposals. Following the 1 million Lunc initial deposit, proposal writers will have to match the 5 million deposit to eligible participants in the governance voting phase. Terra Classic price collected some liquidity during the midweek volatility around 0.30's $118. The green-colored support band, strengthened by the 200-day exponential moving average. A buoyant Lunc, backed by a vibrant community, climbed higher, soared acceptance above the broken ascending trendline support, but fell short due to resistance at 0.30's $123 a confluence point, bringing together the 20-day EMA and the 50-day EMA. Holding above the green support band is crucial for Lunc, as it allows bulls to take control and charge upwards. More investors will join in on the trend as the price climbs above the trend line and the resistance in red at 0.30's $14. So how do you think? Will the Terra Classic community accept the tax-to-gas proposal? Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. With this, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, let us know in the comments your views on the Lunc token, and make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.